Full backup. Restore. DIFF differential backup. Restore. Not backup. So here, what we did, previously, just before we went through the database refresh rate. So database refresh is kind of like a restoration only. That restoration involved only full backup restore. We did not go for the other differential and log backup. So here, what I meant to say, yeah, restore like in the database refresh, restoration is the main process. So we need to check all these prerequisites. Okay, here backup file keep what are files we have the backup are source. So right, just now we restored the full backup, right? So here the thing is like we are going to show differential backup and transaction backups. So full backup is the exact copy, right? We discussed it. Differential backup is the it will take the modifications what are they happen for after full backup. And a transaction log backup, it will take the what are the complete transactions available on the transaction log. We went for the deep discussion last week, right? So we want to restore all backups to the development server or maybe same server. Why? Because why we need to go for restore? The restore we need to perform any disaster occurs, if any hardware failures or maybe any some other user related, that scenario we have to go for that a particular point in time and we have to restore it. So here uh, full backup happen every weekly, differential backup happen every day, and transaction log backup happen every 1 hour. This all backups not strictly for this schedule. It's scheduled for as per our company SLS and RPO, RTO. So here, right now I'm going to show full backup. Then again I will go for differential backup. For that, we want to see the data is coming or not. Okay. So here what I am going to do, we have one database. We can enter the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a backup and restore to the different database. Let's see data is coming or not. That is the one scenario. The second scenario, after full backup, after full backup, after full backup, enter some data, then take differential backup, restore full and deflag diff backups to the target database. Third scenario, after full backup, that means like same after full backup, enter the values take diff, diff backup, diff backup, restore full plus Monday diff plus TU USC diff. Compare the data. Here again restore full plus Tuesday diff. Compare the data. Output out result. No need to restore Monday diff. That is the goal. Then what the step is? Enter the data, take log backup, restore, full backup plus Tuesday diff plus the log backup. Log backup, compare the data. So we'll go for all 4 restore scenarios. Okay. So let me take the I will take any smaller database here. Adilab is a bigger database. But I will go with the better. Here, table using a small table. We'll go for. I will create a table. Table. Oh, table. ID. Then data type. I'm going to select int. Then name. There. I will go for varchar. I'm going to save it. I'm going to my voice variable. Okay, like validation. Okay. The table name called validation. So here I have a database called like Adilab, and I created a table like Adi validation. So before taking into the full backup, I'm entering the some data. Go for editors ID like ID like 7th day. Day is like a Sunday. Okay. I'm saving it. Okay. So I saved it. Let me check it. Go for select open rows. The ID 7 and Sunday. So I'm going to take the backup. Okay. Go for new query. 1 minute. Keep the okay. So I'm going to take the backup files here. So observe. I'm going to restore Adi. I'm going to take the backup Adilab database server. backup, database name, the lab to disk equal to location, then give the any file name. Just I'm giving like a Sunday full dot bak. You can give any name as per our convenient. Go for with compression, then go for stats equal to 1. It will show the percentage of the backup. So just I'm running. It will take 23 seconds or 28 seconds. We'll see. So, let it complete. Meanwhile, I will create the one more database in the different server. Like go for new database here. The develop the develop maybe let it keep. Okay. So here what I'm going to do, just click it, go for properties. Just I'm changing the options. Previously I didn't show it. Just I'm changing the compatible level 2090. Let it. Just I'm changing the simple recovery model. Leave it. Okay. So backup is completed. I want to restore the database from Adi lab to Adi lab dev. It's kind of like a refresh only. But here we want to prove the full backup, differential backup, log backup. If you go, data is coming or not. So the restore is part of the refresh. So the same prerequisite is same. There is no change. Okay. So now I'm going to restore the backup to Adi developed database. So right click here. So right now, if you go here, I don't have any tables. I don't have anything. I'm going to take restore it into the Adi developed DV. Oh, DV. I don't know how to go for rename. That is I go for. Okay. Right click, task, go for restore, then dev, then go for a device, then select the backup where we have. Then I have taken E drive, then go for backup file share. This is the backup file name. Come click OK. Click OK. Then come to the files where I want to change it. Come here. I want to keep it to data. Validation. You can keep any name. You can keep any drive based upon the free space available on the target server. Sometimes source and target will be same server. Sometimes target and source database will be same, but we have to be careful where we are going to run it. If you source and target is different, no need to worry. Source and target same server. We have to be careful which database we are going to overwrite. So here, when I select the backup, that particular backup, I am having 3 files. See, Adi lab having 3 files. That is the reason we are able to see here. So if I come here, double confirmation, go for here, Adi lab, right click, properties, go for files. We can see C3, right? So that is a full backup. Like what are the files we have taken, that will come to the that particular backup. So here I relocate the files and come to here, then go for options, overwrite. So I'm going to script out. Yeah, the same story. Restore, that is the keyword, database is the keyword, and which database we are going to restore, location of the backup file, and what are the files inside the backup. We have to move it. For that, go for with move. Then logical file names we cannot change it. Go for change it as per the thing here. You can give the dev. Yeah. Here I'm going to keep the database single user mode. Okay. Database. Set. We will enter user with rollback. Here I'm going speed. Why? Because previously we explained for database refresh rate that took 1 hour, right? The same concept. So just I'm restoring it. It will take another. What is the user doesn't have permissions, but anyway, it's going. The develop. Oh, I think I gave a wrong name. Adi Love Dev. What is the Adi Dev? Oh, see, I supposed to restoring into the here. Okay, but I executed the command in the Adi lab. So that is the reason it's telling the database doesn't have. Let me go here. So that is the reason we have to be careful which session we are going to run it. Click here. New query. Guest. Go to restore. Restore. What is it? Data validation. The location is not good. My file also we cannot restore the validate target. Why? Let me go here one more time. Task. My system has some permission issue. Go for restore. Go for device. Go for here. Go for add. Go for here. I take in here. Send. Okay. Click OK. Then go for files. I'm going to relocate some permission. Okay. Keep it. DB data. Come here. Come here. Where is permission? Let me see. Come here. Raw data. Then go for options. Go for here. Come here. New query window. If I get the error, I'll keep into the C drive. Come here. And get it. Okay. Come here. Then I have to go for if I get any permission issue, I will go for a C drive. Go for here. It's going okay. Let it restore. I come here. It will take 1 minute. While restoring, it will take longer time. Why? Because it has to calculate. While restoring, it will do. Oh, exclusive lock. I did not keep the single user. So while restoring, it will take some time or little bit time. Why? Because it has to calculate what is the backup and what are the files inside and what is the database size, and it will calculate. Then it will start restore. So that is the reason. Compared to backup, restore will take little bit some more time. I got lock on database. Database name. VLab. Check. Single underscore user with rollback. Rollback. IMME. Immediate. We keep on so that if I come here, if I go here, see database single user mode, still it did not start restoring. If we go for messages, oh, it is not. If it's failing, we'll see. Even though why it is failed. I have any comments. Let me close all the things. If I keep single user mode also, some one more connection is there. Okay. But let me try. It is going on. Okay. So it will take some time. Oh, very fast, 14 seconds. Backup took only 23 seconds, but restore took 14 seconds. Yeah. So database restored. Just validate our table is came or not. Okay. So here, come to database validation. Come to select top rows. We have data came. Okay. Now I want to enter some data. Then I want to take the differential backup. Okay. So this is the Adi lab. Now I'm going to enter the data. data validation, go to edit. So Monday is the first day. I'll be for Monday. Okay. So this is the data entered. Oh, let me. Okay, data entered. Let me check data entered or not. Data is entered. I'm going to take differential backup. Okay. I'm not using GA. I'm using T-SQL. Okay. Taking the differential backup. What is the command? Backup database. Database name Adi Lab to disk equal to path. Disk equal to path. Then I'm giving Adi Lab Monday dot diff. Here, if you forgot to give differential, it will consider as like a full backup. So we have to go for with differential DIFFEREA differential. Okay. So I'm going to execute. Executed. Backup is completed. So here I want to restore the latest full backup and I want to restore the differential backup. So for that, what I need to do? So here, first restore the database with the restoring state, then with full backup, then later you have to restore the differential backup. So generally, if you see the database online, it won't allow the restore. So that is the reason while restoring the full backup, we have to tell I have further backups. Don't bring the database to online, keeping into the restoring mode. So while restoring the full backup itself, we have to tell keep the database in the restoring mode. So here what I'm going to do, just come again, go to the Adi develop, then select the full backup where it is, go to database, then go to device, then go for here, go for add, then go for E, then go for data. I can keep it here. Where is the backup? Backups are right here. So here, if you click here, all files, it will show. So I need to select first full backup. Select full backup. Okay. Click OK. Let it full backup restore. But we need to keep with no recovery. If you keep with no recovery means database will go to restoring mode and it will wait for and it will allow for another backups to restore. Go for files, the same as relocate the files. Come here. I will go for backup cell. Go for data. DB validation. I'll go for here. Control V. Control V. Okay. So here the option is we have to carefully check option. So if you forgot this option, what it will do? Database will go to online state. See here is restoring with recovery. Restoring with recovery means I don't have further backups to bring the database to online. Okay. If you want to keep the database restoring mode, that scenario, we have to come here. We have to go for restoring with no recovery. If you keep this option, it will tell the database, don't bring the database online. We have a further backups to restore it. Go for overwrite with replace. Come here. Go for script. New query window. Minimize it. So here. See here. Previously, we have with recovery. Now with no recovery. That means that will tell the database to keep with no restoring mode. Let me keep database to single user mode. Alter database. Alter database. Database name. From description. Alter database name. Check. Underscore zero. With rollback IME. IMME. Let me execute. So before executing, just check it. I'm executing into this database server. If you go database, AdiLab. Once I execute, the backup will restore, but database will go to restoring mode. If you try to access, it won't access because database in the restoring state. I'll go here. From here, let it complete. So here we successfully came the output, database successfully completed. So previously, if you get the output, what we see here, come here, refresh, then go for database. The previously database in the this state, like online. If we see like this, we can call like a database in the online state. If we see a database like a restoring state, that means the database is waiting for further database to restore. If you see restoring, it won't allow any operations to connect. If you see click here, we'll get the error. Why? Because database is not online state or operational state. So it is waiting for further backups to restore. So here we have a differential backup. So we can go for restore the differential backup using T-SQL. So the here just now I restored the full backup. Now I'm going to restore the differential backup. Once the differential backup is restored, I'm going to keep the database with the recovery. So restore database name from disk equal to path, come to the path where the backup is taken. Come to the path. So differential backup, I'm going for the T-SQL, not for the GUI. Okay. Then you have come here. Come here. Then take the differential backup. Okay. So restore database name from disk equal to path. The differential backup and full backup, the command is same. No need to mention with the differential. The only difference is while taking the backup, full backup, no need to mention differential. For differential backup, that is the mandatory we have to mention with the differential. But restoring, no need to mention with the differential. It's kind of like a straightforward command. Restore database name from disk equal to path. Here no need to move commands. Why? Because the files are already moved. So no need to go for move command. Just give the backup command. So here I'm not going to give the any recovery or with no recovery. If I give no recovery, that will go for no recovery and it will wait for further backups. So here I want to keep the database into the online state. So that is the reason I'm going to give with recovery. If you go with the recovery or without recovery option, the database will come online. With stats equal to 1. Here I'm not giving any with no recovery. If you want, you can give no recovery with recovery. So no recovery. If you provide recovery, that will comes online. If you not provide also, database will come online. So recovery is the by default if you not mention. So I'm just running the command restore and we'll see. So it's very fast restored. Database is restored. Then come here, validate. Then go for database. Database is online. Why? Because I did not mention any with no recovery. Okay, that's the reason database came online. Just check it. So full backup, we have one entry. Differential backup, we have one entry. That value is coming or not, just validate. Go for Adi develop, go for tables, then go for DB validation, then go for select star from this one, run it. The data is came right, Monday diff. So full backup, what are the full backup we have? That's came. What are the modifications after full backup? That also came by restoring the differential backup. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter the one more data, then I will take the one more differential backup and I will restore full backup. For Sunday, I will restore the Monday differential and I will restore the Tuesday differential and I will see the data. Now I'm going to go here, go for Adi lab. I'm going for Adi validation. I'm editing the data. I'm entering number 2. This is the Tuesday diff. Just save it. So take the backup. Okay. So I'm not taking any comment. I'm giving like here. I'm not taking any full backup. Okay. Full backup already we have. Okay. I'm taking differential backup. If you take full backup, that backup chain will be desktop. So Adi lab choose differential. Stats equal to 1. Come here. Execute. Backup is executed. So here, come here. Now I want to restore full backup and Monday differential backup, and I will restore Tuesday differential and we'll see the data. Okay. Right now database in online. Come to here. So I'm not going to graphical user interface. I have already generated the full restore script. Just I'm restoring the database with no recovery. Okay. Just I'm going for with no recovery. Okay. Data is restored. Just check it. Database will be restoring mode. Okay. So now I'm going to restore Monday differential. But if I give this command, database will go for online state. So that is the reason I'm giving one more keyword, no recovery. If I keep no recovery, what will happen? The database will keep the restoring state. I'm going to execute. So differential backup while restoring, no need to keep single user mode. Why? Because database already in the restoring mode, it won't allow any operations. So Monday differential is restored. If you try to access also, it won't allow. Why? Because database in the still restoring mode. Now I want to go for Tuesday differential backup. So just I'm copying this command. Let's go for here. Restore database name. From disk equal to path. Then I'm giving the file of the Tuesday differential backup. Where is Tuesday? Go for rename. Come here. Come here. Then give starts equal to 1. Here, as I mentioned, if you give or not, it will go for with recovery. So while with recovery, it will take some time. Why? Because we have a 3 procedure while restoring. I will tell you tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Okay. We have one question for restore pages. So now the backup is restored for the differential, like Tuesday differential. Come here, refresh it. Come here, database online. So come here, go for new query, select star from validation. Run it. I got like a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So here the data came. But here, as per our backup theory, no need to restore Monday differential. Why? Because if you go for Tuesday differential, all the data will become. Why? Because the differential backups are cumulative or incremental. That means Tuesday backup will contain the Monday data. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for one more restore, skipping the Monday differential backup. So here I want to skip Monday differential. I will go for full backup. Then I will go for Tuesday differential backup and validate the data. Data is coming or not. So I'm going to restore the full backup for the last Sunday. Just execute it. I mentioned no recovery. Database will go for restoring state. Okay, database restored. If you go here, database in restoring mode. Here I'm not going to for Monday differential. I'm going to go for Tuesday differential. Just execute it. So it is allowing because if you skip also, it will take. Okay. Differential backup, it will go for the latest differential, that's fine. If you corrupt Tuesday differential also, no problem. But coming to the log backup, we have an issue. We have to go for all the log backups. I will show you later. Okay. So right now, we restored full backup and we restored Tuesday differential backup. We skipped the Monday differential. Then see data is coming or not. Come here, go for database. See database is online. Just I'm running the command. Data is coming or not. Select star from validation. Run it. See, data came, right? So, no need to go for Monday differential. Directly we will go for Tuesday. So, the same concept you can apply. Like, we have to go for Sunday full backup and go for latest differential. So, latest differential, what it will be? Kind of like a Saturday differential. Like, if I want to go for to revert the data until Saturday, then what I need to do? I have to restore Sunday full backup. No need to restore. Let me enter here. That you can understand here. Go for Adi lab. Adi validation. Edit rows. Suppose here I have a third row. That's it. Wednesday. Diff. I have a fourth row. Thursday diff. So think about every day we are happening. Okay. So you go for Friday. Friday diff. Then go for 6th. Saturday. Diff. Okay. Just on it. So here someone asked, I need the until Saturday to restore the database. What you can do? Go for latest full, then latest differential. No need to restore middle of the differential. So like one of the user asked, I need the data until Friday. So here what we can do? Go for Sunday full backup, then go for Friday differential. No need to go for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Suppose the user asked, I need until Wednesday data. So here what I need to do? I have to go for Sunday full backup, then go for Wednesday differential. So the thing is like here, the full backup weekly once at come on 10 p.m. Sunday. Then diff backup daily at 10 p.m. except full date. That is Sunday. We don't want a differential. The log backup every 1 hour or 30 minutes. So here, what was happen? Someone is asked, okay, I need the data Thursday, Friday, 11 a.m. So someone asked, I need the data Friday, 11 a.m. In this scenario, what we need to do? So in this scenario, what we need to do? Like go for latest full, then go for latest differential, that is Thursday 10 p.m. 10 p.m. diff. After that, how many hours they're asking? Friday 11 a.m. That means 10 p.m. to 11 a.m. how much? 13 hours we need the data. So for that, we need to go for transaction log backups. So that is the reason transaction logs are very crucial. That will be used for recovery and go for the point in time restore. If you want to go for in between middle of the time, we can go for latest full, latest differential. After the latest differential, what are the logs we have? those logs we have to restore. So that means Thursday. So here every day 1 hour log backups will have. So they asked Friday 11 a.m. right? So here what we need to do? Full backup, Sunday full backup, then go for Thursday 10 p.m. differential backup. After then we have to go for log backup. After latest diff, what are the log backups? We have. So here log backups will have like as I mentioned last time, the LSN will come like a full backup, right? So T log 1, that is Monday 12 a.m. on a Sunday. Here full backup for Sunday. That means Sunday 11 p.m. That is LSN 1. So after that it will start Sunday. Sunday 12 a.m. T log 2. So it will keep on schedule as per the every 1 hour. So here what we need to do? If you come here, latest full, latest differential, then after that, what are the 10 p.m. differential? So that may be Thursday. The number may be like T log every 24 hours means like 24, 24, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like 90 something. 90 log backup. Then we have to go for 90. So you think about like this is the Thursday, 11 p.m. T log backup LSL. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so what we need to do? We have to go for 11 T log, then 12 T log 91, then 1 T log 93. Like then we have to go for up to 11 a.m. 11 a.m. T log. What we need to do? So the number will come for 93 plus 11, 104. T log 104. So that means we have to go for Sunday full backup, then Thursday differential 10 p.m. After that, what are the 10 p.m. log backups we have? We have to go for all T logs to get the data. Okay. Why? Because our requirement is I need to get the data until Thursday or Friday 11 a.m. So here, as per the schedule, full backup every weekly once Sunday at 10 p.m. Daily differential at 10 p.m. and every 1 hour log backup. But the requirement is like I need to restore Friday 11 a.m. But Friday differential backup will happen 10 p.m. So I cannot go for 10 p.m. differential. Why? Because we don't have 10 differential backup on Friday. So that is the reason we have to go for latest differential, that is Thursday. After that, we have to go for what are the T logs we have. So let me stop the recording. We'll go for freshly log backup scenario. Okay. Let me stop it. Then you can ask the questions. Take 5 minutes break. We'll go for this scenario like a full backup, differential backup, and log backup restores. Okay. Let me stop it. Stop.